Our lesson today is Nouns in Turkish. İsimler. Nouns are words that correspond to entities and concepts. Entities are very related to their names. When we say book, a book image comes to our mind. Or when we see a book, the word of book comes to our mind. But the concepts aren't like that. When we say trouble, we can't imagine something concrete. We imagine something that causes a trouble. Nouns are studied from different aspects. They differ according to the way they are given to the assets. Common noun, cins isim, proper noun, özel isim, singular noun, tekil isim, plural noun, çoğul isim, community noun, topluluk ismi, concrete noun, somut isim, and abstract noun, soyut isim. The first one is common noun, cins isim. A noun denoting a class of objects or a concept as opposed to a particular individual. Tree, ağaç, dog, köpek, human, insan, flower, çiçek, cat, kedi. Proper noun, a name used for a specific person, place, or organization. The first letter of these nouns are spelled with capital letter. Samsun, the name of a city in Turkey. Mustafa, name of a person. Türkiye, a country. Savaş ve Barış, name of a book. Harvard Üniversitesi, an organization. Türkçe, name of a language. Karabaş, a name given to a dog, an animal. The difference between those two: proper nouns are used for a specific person, place, or organization. But in common nouns, ağaç, köpek. For example, we said Karabaş, a name given to an animal. A dog maybe, but in here, we only say dog, köpek. We don't say its name. Singular noun, tekil isim. These are nouns that correspond to a single entity in terms of number. Kalem, kitap, araba. One pen, bir kalem, bir kitap. One book, one car. Plural noun, çoğul isim. These are nouns that correspond to more than one entity in terms of number. It is made by adding the suffix ler and lar to the nouns. We saw this in inflectional suffix lesson, and we are going to see the same. Kalem, kalemler. We decide which one to use by looking at the letter harmony. Kitaplar, arabalar. We are looking at the last vowel, then we decide which one to use. It's a thin vowel, e, that's why we used ler. In these two, The last vowels are thick vowels. That's why we used lar suffix. Community noun. These are nouns that correspond many entities in one word without taking the plurality suffix. Ordu, army. It includes more than one person, more than one entity, but still we say only ordu. We don't use plurality suffix. Bölük, squad, millet, nation, halk, community, sürü, horde. But in some cases, community nouns can take the plurality suffixes too. For example, dünya milletleri barış içinde yaşamalıdır. Nations of the world should live in peace. Concrete noun, somut isim. These are nouns given to the entities that can be detected with sense organs. Defter, televizyon, kapı, masa. We can touch them. We can see them. We can smell them. Abstract noun, soyut isim. An opposite to the concrete nouns. These are nouns of a concept whose existence is accepted through thought and that does not evoke a certain image or imagination in the mind when we set. It cannot be detected with sense organs. Sevgi, love, nefret, kızgınlık, his. We cannot detect them with our sense organs.